You guys already know what the Type R looks like without any cosmetic mods. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I found on the internet that will, I guess, enhance the Type R's appearance. So just as you read on the title, ricing out my Type R. I know a lot of you guys are going to hate this, but it doesn't matter. I'm just doing this for fun. So in this video, I'm going to be putting on a carbon fiber hood scoop. This is actual real carbon fiber, and it's not a hood scoop, it's basically a stick-on. So I actually got that from Import Image Racing. With an extra $200, I could have just gotten the actual hood scoop from Cybon, but I haven't seen any videos of this stick-on carbon fiber hood scoop for the Type R. So went ahead and purchased one myself, and here I am making a review so that you guys can see what it is and how it looks on the car, as well as I have some side mirror covers that will be covering the side mirror. This is the hood scoop cover. This is carbon fiber, as you can see. It is a glossy carbon fiber, and basically this goes on your hood scoop just like that. And then on the back right here, we already have some double-sided tape installed, so you just have to peel this off. Once you peel off the tape, you just stick it on. Now normally your hood scoop would sit flush, but with this one, since this is just a stick-on, it's just gonna have a slight bump on the Type R. It's gonna look like that. And from far away, you can't really notice it. But if you really come close to the car and look at it like this, then you'll see that it's just stuck on, but it's not even noticeable. Like, it looks natural, even though it is raised a little bit. And if people do decide to take a peek, take a look in there, that is actually a functioning vent. So you're not necessarily a ricer, since this is technically a real carbon fiber. It is just a stick-on, but ain't nothing wrong with that. Like I said, if you want to get the Cybon or Sabon carbon fiber hood scoop, you're going to be paying an additional $100 to $200. So again, I haven't seen any videos of this product in particular. What I have in this bottle is actually isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just going to be spraying my microfiber cloth just like this. So you can actually see the carbon fiber pattern on this. Let me turn the light on. Look at that. See that? This is the back. And again, this is really lightweight. This is the front, nice and glossy. Amazing. Now that the hood scoop is installed, it looks a little bit off now. Maybe it's because I'm not used to seeing the car like this. But if I were to look at the car from this side, it looks completely fine. It's only when we go up here, something just looks a little bit off. I think I should probably wrap the roof black, or, you know, wrap it like a dark color. Maybe put like a carbon fiber wrap or something, so that it'll match that, or I could just stick with a gloss black roof. And then we have these carbon fiber pieces that I also got from Ultimate Motorsports. So this is just a cap that goes on like this, so that this will match that. This piece is actual carbon fiber, whereas this piece, you can tell that this is fake, but they do sell real carbon fiber mirror caps, which I'm probably gonna switch over to, but the difference is day and night. Look at that. but like I said, you can barely notice it, especially from far away. It does look a little bit ricey to have this fake carbon mirror cap on, but you know, again, this video is just for fun, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this to complete the look. Oh, and if we look on the back of this thing, there isn't tape installed, so you're gonna have to install it yourself. Tape is included, and just to let you know, it looks like a perfect fit, but it's really not, because if we go over here, you can see some of the blue. So what I did was I took black tape and then I kind of just taped over the edge right here so this blue won't show. And this is what I mean by taping the edges. I just took black tape and I just didn't tape right here so that none of the blue will show. I even did it down here. So again, it's not permanent. I'm probably going to be taking this off within a week or two. So I took tape, I wrapped it around here. I didn't use too much because again, you know, I'm going to be taking this off anyways. So going to be using a little bit of tape. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick this on. This is what the car looks like with the side mirror covers on, as well as the carbon fiber hood scoop. I don't know how I feel about it. At first I was like, ooh, okay, this will look nice, but it feels like something's missing. And for our last stick-ons, I actually just bought some black handlebars or door handle covers. And there you have it, guys. Both of the sides of the Type R now have the blacked out door handle covers, and oh my god, it matches everything on the car, and I'm really happy. I'm actually surprised this episode, Racing Out the Civic, turned out really good, because honestly, in all honesty, I kind of like it. I am waiting for new wheels, but that's going to be in another video. This episode is actually the most that I've done to the Type R aesthetic wise, so I'm really happy with the result, and I'm really surprised how well it turned out, even though I pretty much stuck a bunch of stick-on pieces. I know it's ricey, but that's what this episode is meant to be. But yeah guys, it's really noisy out here. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, I make 10th gen Honda Civic videos every single week. Every Sunday I post a video on the channel. The links for everything that I purchased on this car will be linked down below in the description. Everything fits on your FK7 except for that hood scoop. Well, it does. It's basically a stick-on, but obviously the FK7 does not have a hood scoop. But the carbon fiber mirror caps as well as the door handles, I will be linking it down below in the description for those of you who are interested in purchasing the product. Again, this is Time FK7. Thank you all for watching. Peace out. So these are the wheels that Fitment X sent to me. I can't really reveal them just yet. For now, I can show you the wheel size. I got 245, 35, 18. So these are 18-inch wheels, not 20 or 19. I chose to do a smaller wheel because, like I said, 20 inches is a little bit too big for this car.